Welcome to tonight's homework helper series. Tonight's homework is EL11, Day 2, graphing each equation using the slope-intercept method. We'll start by taking a look at number 2. So we have y equals 2/3 x minus 2, and we can work with this because y is by itself. So first thing we can do is move this out of the way for a moment. First thing we can do is take a look at the slope. The slope is 2/3. The y-intercept is over here, the number that has no variable next to it. It's -2. The coordinate for the y-intercept is 0, -2. And with this information, we could then take a look over here and see how it was plotted. I started with 0, -2 right here. 0, -2, and then I went up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, and then put the line through my points. I also included the name right here. And then I need to do a quick check to determine if the points on my line satisfy this equation. So I've decided to use the first point that I plotted after my origin. I don't want to use the origin because that can be misleading, so I'm going to use a different point on my line. So I'm going to start with this point here, which is 3, 0. I start off with my original equation, and then I'm going to rewrite the equation, plugging 3 in for x and 0 in for y. And I should put a question mark over the equal sign because I'm not sure yet if this actually works out. But I know that if, once I start this, the 3's cancel out, which is going to bring me to 0 equals 2 minus 2, which is then going to bring me to 0 equals 0. So my check does work. Moving on to the next problem. I'm going to do number 6. Number 6 says to draw a line through 3, 5, whose slope is 2/3. So I start by plotting a point, 3, 5, right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that point there. And then I can plot additional points off of that by using the slope 2 up, 3 to the right. So 2 up, 3 to the right, 2 up, 3 to the right. I could also go down 2 and 3 to the left, down 2, 3 to the left. It would also put me on the points on the line down this way. So based on this information, I need to write an equation for this line, and I have y equals 2/3 x plus 3. And I then am asked, do the coordinates of point 3, 5 satisfy the equation? Do a check. So there's my points, my coordinate 3, 5. There's the equation. I can simply plug in 3 for x, 5 for y, and my 3's would cancel out. Which would then bring me to 5 equals 2 plus 3. Which is 5 equals 5, and since that is true, my check works out. Please use the equations and problems that I did for you tonight to help solve the additional problems that are on your homework. And remember, the key to success in math is not only working hard, but working smart.